Persian saffron rice or Chellow with potato crunch called tadik. Hello everyone, I'm Marcus from Culinarish. Rice is one of the most popular food in Iranian cuisine. Iranians consume variety of rice and have different recipes and techniques to cook them. Steaming the long-grained rice is one of their favorite ways, but that's not all. They go even more creative and make a super delicious crust called tadik when they steam the rice. Later in this video you will find out what is tadik. Don't miss it. One of the best types of rice to make Persian style rice is long grain basmati. You also need a pinch of saffron, 1/2 tablespoon salt, 2 tablespoons butter, 1 medium-sized potato for tadik. I also make a kind of Iranian salad at the end of the video. So if you are interested to make also the salad, you are going to need a cucumber with crisp interior and 2 tomatoes, 1 onion and a lime. First, I wash the rice 2 to 3 times with cold water to remove the excess starch created when the rice grains were milled. I fill 2/3 of a pot with water. Add the salt and bring it to boil on high heat. If you use the lid, it boils even faster. Until the water boils, I prepare the potato for the tadik. Slice the potato lengthwise, about 7 to 8 mm thick. You also need to prepare a strainer in the clean sink for draining the cooking water after boiling the rice. The water is boiling and I add the rice to it and let it cook about 4 to 5 minutes until the grains are bigger, almost tender with slight bite in the center. Don't get away from the stove. You have to keep an eye on the rice when it's boiling. Now it's time to drain the half-cooked rice, and in this stage we make tadik, the heavenly crust I have told you earlier. Add 4 tablespoons of oil in a non-stick pot on medium heat. Lay the potato slices at the bottom of the pot and let it fry about 1 minute. Tadik literally means bottom of the pot, but it refers to the crunchy layer formed under the rice. This crunchy layer can be made of potato in this case, flatbread, or simply the rice itself. If you subscribe to my channel, I will show you how to make other versions of tadik. Then add the drained rice on top of the potato layer. Top it with the butter and cover the pot with a clean kitchen cloth, and then put the lid on the cloth to seal the pot. In this way you trap the steam inside the pot to cook the rice to fluffy perfection. Leave the pot on high heat for 1 minute and then reduce the heat to medium and let it cook 8 minutes. Meanwhile I prepare the saffron. A good saffron comes as threads. Avoid buying powdered saffron. They are stretched in color. The quality Persian saffron costs even more than gold, but it's worth it. There are different ways to extract saffron. I extract it with ice in this video, but you can also find the link in the description where I show you another technique to extract saffron. In order to extract the saffron efficiently, you need to grind the threads. Adding a pinch of salt helps better grinding. Now I add some ice cubes on top of the grinded saffron and let it aside to be extracted. I have enough time to make also the salad. The famous Shirazi salad accompanies many Iranian dishes. Cucumber, tomato, onion, white or red, lime and salt are the main ingredients of Shirazi salad. But some add also a pinch of dried mint and olive oil to it. I do the classic version. To make this salad you have to dice the cucumber, onions and tomato finely. Then squeeze the lime juice into it. Add the salt and mix it. It is fabulous. After 8 minutes I check the rice. You can see how the rice got fluffy using the moist silt in the pot. And that is the steamed rice. Now it's time to serve this gorgeous rice. I use 4 to 5 tablespoons of this beautiful cooked rice to mix with saffron. Then I plate the rest of the plain rice. And then add the saffron rice on top. Let's skip to the good part, tzadik. The potato slices we placed at the bottom of the pot now are roasted and golden brown. Eating the steamed rice plainly is a great pleasure, but Iranians serve it with variants of stews and kebabs. Here I have also a stew made mostly of herbs and other ingredients, and I may show you how to cook this stew in another video. Subscribe to not miss it, and if you liked this video, hit the like button. Thanks for watching.